Mirrorless cameras, also known as compact system cameras, are now big business and no longer the plucky upstart. Gone are the days where DSLR was king. Mirrorless cameras are steadily winning an increasing share of the camera market. This is because a growing number of photographers are recognizing the benefits of using mirrorless cameras, namely the smaller design and an electric viewfinder that lets you see the impact of camera settings. There are now mirrorless cameras to suit every kind of photographer, including professionals. As with DSLRs, specs can vary greatly between different mirrorless cameras, making something which is suitable for one photographer not particularly suitable for another. To make it easy to see which mirrorless camera is best for your needs as a photographer, we've indicated who is best suited to each camera, although we should point out that we've focused on the higher end of the market here. All product links available in the description. Number 1. Sony A9 II. Sensor, 24.2 MP full frame, 35.8 by 23.9 mm. ISO range, 50-204,800. Viewfinder, electronic 0.5-inch Type O LED with 3,686,400 dots. Screen, tilting 3-inch touch-sensitive LCD with 1,440,000 dots. Video, 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30p, 100 megabits per second. Dimensions, 126.9 by 95.6 by 60.3 millimeters. Sony introduced the Alpha 9, also known as the A9, for professional photographers and as a competitor for Canon's EOS 1DX Mark II and Nikon's D5 Pro level DSLRs. With 24 million pixels on its full-frame sensor, the A9 has a higher resolution than either those DSLRs. It also has a phenomenal phase detection focusing system with 693 points that has even convinced pro sports photographers like Bob Martin to use it to shoot key events. The Sony A9 II retains the same stacked 24-megapixel full-frame sensor as its predecessor, the A9. However, Sony is promising more precision and faster operation thanks to the addition of its latest Bions X processor. The A9 II also retains the A9's much-lauded 693-point phase detection AF system, which also includes 425 contrast AF points. It also incorporates Sony's real-time IAF, real-time tracking and fast hybrid focusing modes. Some of the bigger changes in the A9 II versus the A9 are in its design, which includes new weather-proofing around the A9 II body should appeal to professional users. Sony has also reinforced the areas around ports and battery and memory card doors to prevent ingress of water. Another new addition to the Sony A9 II is a built-in 1000BASET Ethernet terminal, enabling gigabit communication for high-speed data transfer. The Alpha 9 II also adds a new voice memo function that allows users to attach voice memos to specific images that can be replayed when the images are reviewed. Sony makes sensors for many of today's cameras and naturally, it's reserved a peach of a chip for its flagship camera. Detail levels are high and noise control is excellent. Best for sport, wildlife and wedding photographers. Number 2. Nikon Z7. Sensor, 45.7 MP full frame, 35.9 by 23.9 mm. ISO range, 32-102,400. Viewfinder, electronic 0.5-inch Type O LED with 3,690,000 dots. Screen, tilting 3.2-inch touch-sensitive LCD with 2,100,000 dots. Video, 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30p. Dimensions, 134 by 100.5 by 67.5 millimeters. Nikon may have only just entered the full-frame mirrorless camera market, but it's done it with style. The 45MP Nikon Z7 has a lot in common with the hugely popular Nikon D850, but its handling is even more refined. In our opinion, it has the best handling of any Nikon digital camera. And although it's smaller than the D850, it has a well-sized grip, so it works well with large lenses. Its image quality is also extremely good. Images shot at the lower sensitivity settings have an impressive level of detail and they seem to leap from the screen on the back of the camera. At higher sensitivity settings like ISO 25600, the Z7 also controls noise well. It all adds up to make the Z7 one of the best and most enjoyable to use cameras available right now. The only downside is its single XQD card port. That's a turn-off for some wedding photographers, but others are willing to put their father the reliability of XQD media. Best for landscape and wildlife photographers. Number 3. Sony A7 III. Sensor 24.2 MP full frame 35.8 by 23.9 mm. ISO range 0.50-204800. Viewfinder. Electronic 0.5-inch Type O LED with 2,359,296 dots. Screen. Tilting 3-inch touch-sensitive LCD with 921,600 dots. Video 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30p, 100 megabits per second. Dimensions 126.9 by 95.6 by 73.7 millimeters. Although it doesn't have exactly the same sensor as the Sony A9, the full-frame A7 III has the same pixel count, 24.2 million. It also has a similar autofocus AF system with 693 points, and it does a great job of getting fast-moving subjects sharp. Add in the maximum continuous shooting rate of 10 fps, silent if you want, with full AF and metering capability, and you start to see why the A7 III is selling like hotcakes. Sony has given the A7 III an OLED viewfinder with 2,359,296 pixels, which, although lower resolution than the A9's viewfinder, gives a detailed view. A mini joystick on the back of the camera falls conveniently under your thumb for selecting the AF point, but you can use the touchscreen to set the point if you prefer, even when looking in the viewfinder. Like the A9, the A7 III's touchscreen can be tilted to give a better view of video or landscape format images. Unfortunately, Sony hasn't made much use of the touch control, but it's handy for setting AF point or zooming quickly into images to check sharpness. The A7 III's menu is very extensive and there are lots of customization options available. This means it can take a while to get to know the camera, but you can set up to suit your style of shooting. It's an excellent all-rounder that delivers superb quality images and video. The A7 III is arguably one of the best mirrorless cameras on this list when you consider the balance of specs, performance and price point. Best for enthusiast photographers shooting a wide range of subjects. Number 4. Fujifilm X-T4. Sensor 26 MP BSI APS-CX Trans CMOS IV. ISO range 160-12800 80-51200 expanded. Viewfinder 0.5-inch 2.36 million OLED color viewfinder, 0.77x magnification. Screen 3-inch 3.69K tilting touch sensitive screen. Video 4K 4096 x 2160. Dimensions 132.5 by 92.8 by 58.8 millimeters. It may have the same 26.1 mpx trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 processing engine as the X-T3, but the Fujifilm X-T4 also has 5-axis in-body image stabilization with a shutter speed compensation value of 6.5 eV, a quieter shutter, a bigger battery, a great new film simulation mode and a vari-angle touchscreen. Like the X-T3, the X-T4 can shoot C4K 4096 by 2160 MOV video at up to 60p. However, it can also record in MP4 format. In addition, it's possible to record full HD video at up to 240p with continuous focusing, twice the rate possible with the X-T3. That's great news for those who like to see action in slow motion. All this combined with Fujifilm's image quality know-how makes the X-T4 the company's best X-series camera to date, not to mention one of the best mirrorless cameras you can buy today. It may not be an automatic upgrade choice for X-T3 users, but X-T1 and X-T2 photographers will love it. More significantly, it's very attractive to anyone contemplating their first serious Fuji camera. Best for street, landscape and wedding photographers. Number 5. Olympus OM DEM1 Mark III. Sensor 4/3 Type 20.4 MP Live MOS sensor. ISO range 64-25600. Viewfinder electronic with 2,360,000 dots. Screen 3-inch 1,037,000K. Vari angle touch sensitive screen. Video C4K 4096 by 2160 at 30/25p. Dimensions 134.1 by 90.9 by 68.9 millimeters. Some of the new features in the EM13 come as a result of the upgraded processing engine. Live ND mode, for example, uses similar technology to Live Composite mode, but it enables you to preview the impact of a long exposure. That demands a lot of processing power, but it's a useful feature for landscape and creative photography. It also means that you don't need to carry any ND filters with you, as the exposure can be extended by up to 32x using the camera's inbuilt system. Olympus has given the OM-D EM1II sensor a new coating, which was introduced with the EM1X. This reduces the likelihood of dust sticking, making the advanced SSWF supersonic wave filter technology, which vibrates the filter over the image sensor filter 30,000 times per second, even better at keeping the sensor clean. In some respects, the Olympus OM-D EM1 Mark III might look like a fairly modest upgrade from the OM-D EM1 Mark II. However, it feels more refined and has some great features that make shooting in tricky conditions a little easier. It also enables photographers to travel lighter, not just by being relatively small and light itself, but by allowing tripods and ND filters to be left behind in many situations. Olympus also offers an extensive array of superb lenses, and the 2x focal length magnification factor is especially useful for sport and wildlife photographers. While existing OM-D EM1 Mark II may not want to upgrade, the OM-D EM1 Mark III makes a very attractive option for enthusiast photographers looking to switch to a mirrorless camera. Best for landscape, sport and video shooters. All product links available in the description. Thanks for watching.